Are you curious about human resource planning? Well, let me break it down for you in just 1 minute. Human resource planning, also known as HRP, is a crucial process for organizations to align their workforce with their strategic goals. So what are the steps involved in this process? Firstly, we have the HR requirements forecast. This step involves assessing the future needs of the organization in terms of manpower and skills. It helps determine the number of employees and their qualifications required to achieve organizational objectives. Next, we move on to the HR supply forecast. Here we analyze the current workforce and identify any surplus or shortage of employees. This step helps in evaluating the availability of internal and external talent pools to fill any gaps in the future. Once we have these forecasts, the next step is to monitor HR requirements regularly. This ensures that any changes in the organization's goals or external factors are taken into account, and adjustments are made accordingly. Motivating the manpower is another vital step in the HRP process. It involves creating a work environment that encourages employees to perform at their best. Motivated and engaged employees are more likely to contribute effectively towards achieving organizational goals. The next two steps are no differences and differences. No differences refer to maintaining consistency and uniformity in HR policies and procedures across the organization. On the other hand, differences involve considering individual needs and preferences to cater to employees' unique requirements. Then comes the review of organizational objectives. This step calls for evaluating the alignment between the organization's goals and the HR plan. It ensures that the workforce plan supports the overall business strategy. Finally, we have comparison. This step involves comparing the HR requirements forecast with the HR supply forecast to identify potential gaps or surpluses. It helps in developing strategies to address these discrepancies effectively. To get a detailed explanation of these steps, I invite you to watch our next video. And don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe for more informative content. Happy human resource planning.